I'm going to call this out. But Bitcoin is paying money, right? So Bitcoin doesn't actually pay any money. Bitcoin is a string of data. And if you choose to trade your actual money in for a string of data, you're not putting your money into Bitcoin. And the only time you can get money from Bitcoin is if somebody is dumb enough to give you their money for the string of data that you have. Bitcoin is a grift. All crypto is a grift. I'm not even sorry about saying that. Yes, I absolutely believe they're scammers. Absolutely 110%. I believe if you promote crypto and if you think crypto is valid, you have become a grifter. You have no understanding of finance. You literally are a follower and not a trendsetter. You're not a thinker. You're a stinker, all right? So that's what I think. So to meet Kevin, to Graham Stevens, to Jeremy LeBabe, all those finance grifting YouTubers, this is what I got to say to you. You must disavow crypto. And you must call it what it is. People trading digital turds. Simple, end of story. You name it, that's all you need to know. That's it. I just solved the problem. Now, it really does bug me, though, the level of grifting on YouTube, the level of people selling overly expensive courses. It just freaks me out, man. I don't understand. I don't get it. Bitcoin is a Ponzi scheme. If you know how to play the volatility, more power to you. But just rest assured, Bitcoin is, and granted, full transparency, I do bet against Bitcoin, but I also own Bitcoin, so I play both sides of the coin. But I firmly believe that Bitcoin's a Ponzi scheme, which is why I bet against it more than I bet for it. Does that make sense? I'm just saying, like, if you bought Bitcoin, if you got Bitcoin 10 years ago, for example, right? Let's say you mined Bitcoin using a server, right? Cool. Then some idiot decides to give you money for that Bitcoin at whatever price it's currently market valued at, then sure. But here's the thing. Bitcoin has no intrinsic value. There is nothing useful about Bitcoin. It is literally a string of data on a public ledger, on a decentralized public ledger. It's a cool concept, but it still can't be backed by anything. Therefore, it has no intrinsic value. And its entire value is based on the perception that it has value.